Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, we're going to go over how to order colorized floor plans from CubiCasa. So I'm logged into my dashboard, and I've always downloaded black and white floor plans from CubiCasa. And when I have agents who want a color floor plan, I would take the black and white floor plan and upload it to another platform and ask them to colorize it. And I reached out to Tammy the other day at CubiCasa and I said, hey, this is a good feature request. And she basically said, silly rabbit, we've been doing this. And she told me how. So I'm going to make this video and show you guys how. What you want to do is click on styling. And I have a default styling here, but you can create style. And we're going to call this color floor plan. We're going to keep it English. We're going to use Imperial. I'm going to browse to my logo. And under default style, why don't we pick clover leaf? There's different ones. You'll see wet space has kind of black walls. You got blueprint. Morning moss looks nice. Modern, and you'll see that the outdoor color is one, the bedroom's a different, furniture is different, pool is a different. You got Irish colors, grayscale, gold, elegant. Actually, let's do earth tones. We'll keep the door swing angle at 45 degrees. For export resolution, I didn't know that there was two options. There's a 72 and then a 300 DPI. So I'm going to go 300 DPI. And I did that on my default one too. We'll show the logo in the home report. That's pretty much all you have to do. I keep everything else the same. Oh, total GLA if purchased. We'll show that. But yeah, we'll do save as new. And now, when somebody orders a color floor plan, we'll have this as an option. I think I'm going to go and rename it. That way when any of my photographers are using it, they'll know which one it is. And then this one, I'm going to view, and we're going to call this black and white floor plan. Let's see, we have dimensions only. Let's do dimensions in area. Closest inch. Yeah, we'll keep that there. And then we're going to go make sure dimension and area, closest inch. Okay. There you go. And, oh, Imperial. That's all there is to it. Now you can order a colorful floor plan, and you can have multiple different styles, which I think is pretty neat. So thanks, Tammy, for showing me how to do this. You saved me some money from ordering it from a third party, and I really appreciate that. If you guys have any comments or feedback, leave it below. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you think this video is useful, share it. Thanks for watching.